It's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you are new to my channel or over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Alright, so today I am going to do a perm rod set on my hair. I have not done a perm rod set on my hair in like years, like 5-6 years since I've done a perm rod set on my hair. Yeah, and my hair has a lot of shrinkage. It's just been freshly washed. Y'all see this shrinkage? Y'all see that? Like, y'all, I hate my shrinkage. I hate my shrinkage in my hair. But anyways, so I just washed my hair, conditioned it. I have let it just sit and air dry for a little bit. So I do have some water that I'm going to be spraying back in my hair. The products that I'm going to be using is the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm going to be using some Lotta Body Wrap Me Mousse. So that's what we're going to be doing. And the rods that I'm going to use are the orange rods. Now I did get this method that I'm going to be trying from a YouTuber named Janae, and I will leave her video down in the description box below that I follow. So let's go ahead and get to it. So we're going to first start off with this back section. So I'm going to spray. A little bit of water. Alright. And I'm going to get some leave-in. Alright, I'm going to take this section. And I'm going to take, ooh, it's slippery. Slip and slide. That's the way we take it. Alright, so I'm going to take some mousse. Come on, Moosey Moose. There we go. There we go. Hey, there we go. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to take my mousse, lace it all on my hair, and I'm going to use my detangling brush. We're going to detangle and get it as smooth as possible. Alright, and then I'm going to like 2-strand twist it just a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe about 6 times. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to just straighten that bad boy on up. Just like such. Then I'm going to take my rod. Start on this side. So I'm starting at the end part. I'm going to twist it around itself, then I'll make it come up. And voila. Alright. One down, a million more to go. Finally done. Okay, so I'm about to go sit up under the dryer probably for about an hour, and then I'll probably go to sleep with these in because it's already, I think, almost like 10 o'clock now. So yeah, I'll probably go to sleep with these in, and I will come back tomorrow morning and take them down. I hope they turn out good. I'm excited. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Alright, you guys, so it's the next morning and I'm gonna take these out. So let's see, I need to get some oil real quick. I'm gonna use my Aunt Jackie's flaxseed and manoi oil to when I start to separate. Okay. little bounce. Okay. Alright, now my fingertips. Just kind of. Alright, so now I have to separate. So I'm just kind of untwisting, and then I'm going to break it up. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna come back once I'm done unfluffing and untwisting and all of that. Alright you guys, so I am done fluffing for the most part. I think this is all that I'm going to fluff, and then I'm going to go back in and kind of pick it out, make it a little bit bigger. Fluff it. So yeah, I think I want to wear it kind of to the side like that. So we're going to pin this side going that way, and we'll pin this side going down a little bit that way. So it kind of looks like I have a part. So I was definitely feeling my hair, as you guys can tell. I'm so glad it turned out the way that it did. Let me know if you like it down in the comment section below. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!